वेलकम बैक टू क्रिकेट टीवी आईपीएल 2025 मिड सीजन रिव्यू। अभी अभी आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे टॉप थ्री कंटेंडर्स। कंसिस्टेंट, कंपोज्ड और क्लीन एग्जीक्यूशन। हमारे टॉप थ्री है अभी गुजरात टाइटंस, पंजाब किंग्स एंड दिल्ली कैपिटल्स। सो they are all looking very good at the moment, especially Delhi Capitals having I think they only lost one game.
Yeah, that to
So
Mumbai. Yeah.
yeah, they look very balanced at the moment. Akshar Patel, the new captain, is doing really good, and I'm happy. Delhi Capitals is at the top between the three of them. So
True, true.
what do you think? What is your opinion, Nikhil sir?
I think very closely contested between the three, and I think very little to choose between the three in terms of the ascendancy on which they are. Uh, Punjab ruled over Bangalore yesterday, and ruled as in actually ruled over them, I think, and steamrolled them absolutely. I think even the previous match when they were defending a score of 111 or something like that, and Yuzi Chahal did his magic and got the other team out. In a very they could defend that score and win the match. I think
Yes.
these two things, these things, it's not just winning; it's how you win and in the what circumstances you win. That shows in your body language, that shows in your mansa, your mindset. जब आप किसी मुश्किल मैच में जीतते हो जहां पे ऐसा लग रहा है कि ऐसे ऐसी स्थिति में आप जीत ही नहीं सकते और ऐसे में आप जीत जाते हो, तो उसमें जो आपको प्रोत्साहन मिलता है, उसमें जो आपकी जो मनसा में जो एक पॉजिटिविटी, जो एक सकारात्मकता जो आती है, वो ऐसे मैचेस से आती है। ना कि कोई आसान मैच में खेल लिया आपने, 250 बना दिए, सामने वाला 125 में ऑल आउट हो गया और आपका रन रेट बढ़िया होगा, तो उसमें कोई आपका पीक नहीं आता है फॉर्म का। लेकिन जब आपको ये पुश टू द वॉल, जब लग रहा है कि आप बस खत्म हो गया, आप खेल ही खत्म है, और उसके बाद आप जीतते हो, तो उसमें जो आपका जो एक पॉजिटिव जो फीलिंग आता है, टीम स्पिरिट आता है, जो टीम में एक एकता आती है, वो आगे चल के आगे मैचेस में बड़ा ही इफेक्ट पड़ता है। और ये सारा आप पंजाब में देख सकते हो, और बहुत ही बढ़िया खेल रहे हैं। मेरे ख्याल से श्रेयस, आई डोंट थिंक श्रेयस इज अ वेरी गुड कैप्टन बाय द वे। I think he's too volatile. He wears his emotion on his sleeve, and I think like Hardik Pandya does. And I think for both these people, these captains, this is a big, big drawback. You have to be like Ajinkya. You have to be like MSD. You can't show your emotion on your face. You can be happy. You can be sad. You can be frustrated. You can be angry. You can be all of these things. But on the field, you have to be calm and cool and guide your team. I think while Shreyas is a very aggressive captain, he does show flashes of emotions which should not be there, and sometimes that could be a setback. But I think he has a great team. I see the team players out there hungry. You saw a bowler like Bartlett yesterday. I mean, he took that one wicket, and he was like all over the ground, screaming and shouting and jumping, and Marco Jensen taking that catch. And when you see the overseas players reacting that way, you see that team spirit. You see them gelling. I think that is the true mark of a team. See other teams, you will not see the overseas players showing as much emotion, except maybe an Henrich Klassen that I've seen in SRH, who shows it on the field and who keeps on egging the players on. Others are like,
Yeah,
they
they're
are
here.
visitors anyway. They are here, they are getting a good fee, they are getting paid well, they perform well. I'm not saying that they're taking it lightly, but that emotion that you show doesn't come out. These guys, top of the world. So between the three, I would say forget the ranking, I would put Punjab right on top, just in terms of their teams coming together. Delhi has been also a revelation. Again, Akshar Patel's captaincy has been brilliant, and I think a lot of credit has to go to him. उन्होंने जिस तरह से कप्तानी संभाली है, और वो भी एकदम कैप्टन कूल है। आप उसको उनको आप फील्ड पे देखेंगे तो कभी कभी चेहरे पे एक्सप्रेशन आ जाता है, लेकिन ज्यादा दिखता नहीं है, और बहुत कंट्रोल करते हैं अपने आप को, और बहुत ही जोवियल, बहुत ही हंसमुख है, बहुत ही पॉजिटिविटी लाते हैं अपने अपनी चाल में, अपने अपने बॉडी लैंग्वेज में, अपने एटीट्यूड में। दैट परकोलेट्स टू द टीम। I think he's a great captain to have. And Delhi's bowlers, we have talked about this with, we have are not a very good bowling team. In spite of that, they have performed well. They have done with their limited resources. They have worked well as a team. So I would say these two, Gujarat, very talented, still inconsistent. I am not very sure whether they can retain the top four or not, because there are other people behind them, just behind them, one or two matches behind them. So they need to be careful. I think Delhi and Punjab seem to be safe. If you were to ask me who are the safest amongst the three, मैं बोलूंगा दिल्ली और पंजाब बहुत ही सेफ है. गुजरात को थोड़ा थ्रेट है, बिकॉज all the people have not been firing on all cylinders. They need to be careful. They've been relying too much on the Shubman Gill playing and one or two of the earlier batsmen clicking. Otherwise, they have not been exposed. So they need to be careful to maintain the top four. But I think top four में ये दो पंजाब दिल्ली according to me have already booked their berth. I don't see them. उनको उनको हिलाना बहुत ही मुश्किल होगा. It will require a miracle.
यस, नारायण सर, आप
So
मैच देख रहे हो?
I'm in sync with, हाँ मैच देख रहे हैं. 18 पे 1 हुआ है.
यस,
Who's
पोरेल
playing?
गए
Who's
हैं.
batting? Who's batting?
पोरेल गए हैं.
दिल्ली
तो
कैपिटल्स
आज
इज
का मैच
बैटिंग.
में क्या होगा? आज
Oh.
आज दिल्ली और गुजरात दोनों एक 10 पे है, एक 8 पे है. या तो एक 10 का 12 हो जाएगा या दूसरे दोनों 10 पे आ जाएंगे मैच के अंदर.
Borel is out,
Basically.
18 of 9
हाँ,
delivered.
हाँ. So I agree with what Nikhil said, that Gujarat is have to still gear up as a team totally. You know, they are relying on Gill, साई सुदर्शन और बटलर. यू नो ऐसा ही है. एक शाहरुख खान कभी कुछ कर देता है. बट इफ यू सी, और प्लस व्हेन यू कम टू द बॉलिंग साइड, दे हैव अ सिराज और अ प्रसिद्ध. यू नो उस पे ज्यादा कर रहे हैं. रबाडा कुछ नहीं है, ईशांत नहीं है. सो देयर इज somehow or the other जीत रहे हैं, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है कि वो स्ट्रांग जीत रहे हैं एक्चुअली. करेक्ट. और इनफैक्ट द यंगेस्ट कैप्टन इन द आईपीएल इज गिल, 25 years है.
या
सो अगर आप एवरेज एज निकालोगे ना कैप्टन का, तो बिफोर मिस्टर एमएसडी टुक चार्ज इट वाज 30 years.
ओह,
हाँ, हाँ, हाँ. एंड आप देखोगे तो 27 का पंत है और 30 का संजू है. गिल 25 का है. सो समथिंग ऑफ दैट सॉर्ट. तो
यंगेस्ट.
आफ्टर मिस्टर एमएसडी हैज टेकन चार्ज, तो थोड़ा सा 1 या 2 years बढ़ा है. सो यू नो दैट वे ठीक चल रहा है. बट दे हैव टू रियली गियर अप. एंड गिल इज वेरी यंग स्टिल, तो थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा. बट अभी तक 8 पॉइंट्स आए हैं और आज के मैच से मालूम पड़ेगा कि हाउ इट वर्क आउट. I fully agree that Punjab is doing a great job. So is Delhi is doing. They are gelling as a team. अगर आप देखोगे तो पंजाब में चहल का वापस अभी गेंद चल रही है. कल वो ब्रार ने भी अच्छा ओवर डाला एक्चुअली, सरदार ने. तो he got 2 wickets and he was really good at the among the last overs. तो उनके भी ये ओनर्स, अपना ओपनर्स हैं आर्या और सिमरन. ये अभी they have to really now, after crossing 2025, they have to take it to a higher level, basically score more. तो क्या नीचे वाले स्टाइनस, मैक्सवेल को थोड़ा प्रेशर कम रहेगा. अदरवाइज क्या होता है कि उनपे ही, श्रेयस पे, सब पे प्रेशर आ जाता है. दिल्ली में भी इफ यू सी, करुण नायर ने जो दिन इनिंग खेली है, जबरदस्त इनिंग थी उस दिन.
यस,
he was given a chance and he played excellently well in that match actually. और पूरा अभी वो दोनों हैं, जेएफएम, मैगर एंड फैफ, वो दोनों ही नहीं खेल रहे हैं. And they have been paid quite amount to take them in the team. वही वापस हो जाता है. राहुल साहब, आशुतोष और पोरल, इन पे ही काम चलता रहता है. अभी भी 1 down, राहुल साहब आ गए हैं 1 down खेलने के लिए. सो वो भी प्रेशर है, कैप्टनशिप का भी प्रेशर है, हाउ टू वर्कआउट. लेकिन अक्सर अच्छा काम कर रहा है. विपराज भी अपने हिसाब से चल ही रहा है. बट आई स्टिल फील ओवरऑल, विच आई एग्री विद निखिल, इज पंजाब शुड टॉप द रैंकिंग अकॉर्डिंग द करंट फॉर्म जो चल रहा है एंड द वे दे आर प्लेइंग एज अ टीम.
Absolutely.
एंड गुजरात, आई मे नॉट बी श्योर कि अभी के बाद में और फॉर्म में अगर नहीं आई परफेक्टली, तो ये खाली 8 मार्क्स से कुछ होने वाले नहीं है. दे हैव टू रियली परफॉर्म अहेड आल्सो. और उनके मैचेस अभी सब टफ मैचेस है देखा जाए.
या
So this is what I feel at the but overall excellent cricket in the first 34 matches. Nothing to be worried about. We had a super over also. We had 111 being not chased. Even you know, and 96 overs. Oh, एक बारिश वाली मैच भी हो गई, शॉर्ट एंड ओवर भी हो गया, सब कुछ सब
There
हो
was
गए.
one
हैट्रिक भी हो
statistic in today's newspaper that this is the series with the highest number of sixes per match.
Yes,
17 sixes per match, and the previous highest was, I think, 13 or 14 in, I think, 2000.
Yesterday I saw 582. I don't know अभी क्या नंबर है उसका. इतने
but
इतने इतने
per match
इतने
वाला
लगे
उन्होंने
हैं।
एवरेज निकाला है.
हाँ, एवरेज
Average
निकाला होगा, या
the 17 sixes per match. So that's massive, right? I mean
या
that's like nine sixes per innings, and
हाँ हाँ,
that I think speaks for the volumes for the way the batsmen are playing, and the
करेक्ट,
big thing that has suddenly come into play against the poor spinners and the poor bowlers who don't get any purchase from the wicket. I think, except yesterday was a great pitch. I think, and it was so nice to see Suyas getting that spin, and one ball I saw almost stopped on this guy. I forget the batsman's name. He went to hit, and the ball just didn't come up. And
यस यस,
when you have these type of
करेक्ट,
pitches which are unpredictable, that's when your art of batting comes out. That's when you know that you are a good batsman. Otherwise, it's just like as you rightly said, Narayan, bowling machine लगा दो सामने बॉल डालते जाओ, मैं मारते जाऊंगा, क्या फर्क है. तो कल वाला जो पिच था, लो स्कोरिंग मैच अच्छा लगा. It was a good fight. Unfortunately, the team that we were supporting lost, but then the better team won because Punjab did
Yes.
play better than RCB
Yeah.
by
नहीं
any
नहीं, अभी
standard.
आप देखोगे तो अमंग द टॉप 4 में से दो टीमें ने अभी तक, तीन टीम ने अभी तक टूर्नामेंट नहीं जीता है,
Yes.
Yeah, they're all
देखा जाए
new.
तो।
They're all new. Delhi
Yes.
is new. Punjab is new. Gujarat has won
RCB.
once
Yeah.
when they started. I think when Hardik was the captain in the first installment, they won against my team, Rajasthan Royals. But
And
that was
one
unfair
thing,
because Amit Shah was in the stadium. When Amit Shah is in the stadium and Gujarat is playing, you don't expect Gujarat to lose. Yeah, come on, not in Ahmedabad.
Definitely.
Not in Ahmedabad. Not
Yeah.
in Narendra Modi Stadium with Amit Shah. Gujarat cannot lose, man. Come on.
and Nikhil, and happy if you see one thing, na, the level of umpiring is so good.
Good, it's good. I agree.
Very
I
very
agree
less
completely.
chances, very less chances of a review, especially in LBWs, have been overturned.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Percentage times अब आप देखोगे,
Yeah. Yeah.
so when there is 50,000, 20,000, 25,000 people, आवाज का कैप्चर करना, बॉल लगा नहीं लगा, क्या हाइट पे जा रहा है, एंड टेक्नोलॉजी इज सो मच, इंक्लूडिंग इवन नो बॉल्स गिवन, हाइट वाला, सो समथिंग आई,
No, no, excellent
in,
umpiring.
in
I
spite
agree. I
of,
agree.
yeah, in spite of AI, everything coming in, but human thought, human eyes, and human is excellent here.
And they are also warning players who are stepping out of line. It's not just giving batsmen out or not out, but when the first time Digvish did like this and he went in the face of the batsman and ऐसा
Correct,
करके
correct.
कुछ करता है वो. He was
Yeah,
called
yeah,
and he was warned. He was
yeah.
told right there that this is not done. And I think this is where the umpiring is so important. That it's not just about giving out and not out. It's about
Yes,
monitoring the players on the field
correct.
to ensure that they don't overstep the limits set by the code of conduct. And that's why you see a lot of discipline in this IPL. You don't see sledging. You don't
Correct.
see
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
you don't even see false appealing. Otherwise, in a lot of matches previously, you would see all the people shouting, how's that, putting complete pressure on the umpire. You don't see that happening now. People, the fielder say, नहीं नहीं यार, out नहीं है, क्यों चिल्लाता है, छोड़ दे. So I think that comes in with good umpiring. When that you cannot make this umpire, you can't cow him down by screaming and shouting. He's not going to take it lying down. So
Yeah.
you stop doing that. You stop sledging because you're going to be warned. You stop running onto the pitch to break it up for your bowlers to profit from it later. So all that you see that discipline that has come into the play is very very good only because the umpiring is good.
फेयर प्ले अवार्ड में भी आप देखोगे ना, कई साल तक सीएस के ऊपर चलता था,
Yes.
अभी
Yes.
सीएस के टॉप में नहीं है,
Hmm.
आपने
वहां पे भी
गौर
नहीं है.
किया होगा। और कल आपने देखा क्लासन का वो नो बॉल देखा आपने, मैंने तो फर्स्ट टाइम देखा है वो ऐसे।
मिचेल
यू नो व्हाट
स्टार्क वाला.
हैपेंड, क्लासन टुक द बॉल ahead of the stumps and
Yes,
stumped.
yes, he put the gloves. He put the gloves before the
And
wicket.
he was
Yes,
given a no ball.
yes, yes. I saw that. I saw that. And Stark also, what you mentioned is he stepped out of line on the left
Mm-hmm.
Yes,
hand side of the crease when
correct.
he was
Yeah,
bowling.
yeah, yeah.
He
Yeah, he's
that
given no
that
ball.
that
Side no
that
ball
no
he
ball
was
was
given.
because of that. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think that's good. That's good. that's good look, that's good viewing, that's good thinking, and that's stopping, things from going wrong. And so people know that. And then I think Shreya, who was the wicketkeeper, was warned. Sanju Samson was warned. I think he was
Sanju, yeah.
standing outside the
Yes, yes.
line,
Correct.
whatever
Yeah,
that
yeah,
the 6 meter
Okay.
line, whatever line is called.
yeah,
He
yeah,
was
yeah.
warned, saying, "Don't
Yes.
stand outside. Come in and stand. Otherwise, you will be counted as a fielder standing outside the line." I think they're very small things, very important to ensure proper discipline.
No, especially the wides. What happens is now with the technology coming in, if the batter moves out, say by two
The
foot
line
or
changes.
1.5 foot, then they shift the line there, and
Yes.
still
Yes.
the umpire gets his right. Something which is very amazing for me.
Yeah.
गजब का umpiring
Good
कर रहा
training.
है.
Yeah, I
And
think it's
plus,
good training.
this
It's
gives
good
chance
training.
to Indian umpires. A lot of Indian umpires, new umpires are coming in. A chance for them for international umpiring. देखा जाए तो IPL
Yes.
के
So, Hedri, your
Yeah,
top
you
three,
can.
Delhi, I think you are all Akshar Patel, Nadiad, Patel, and Patel, right?
Mind. I don't mind. But the top three, all of them, they know how to play a tight position. They have proved themselves coming here, and I think they are well deserved at the moment, with Punjab, Delhi Capitals, and even Gujarat Titans. Because Gujarat Titans has players like the two Sais doing well for them on and off, but then they have made, like, more ons than off. So it's quite interesting कि वो नए players हैं, and like we said, like I feel कि वो लोग खेल रहे हैं क्योंकि आगे जाना है, and they have something to prove. So I think that will go on and on. So I do see these three teams playing well.
If you see the average age of the top three teams captains is 29,
You observed one more thing. You observed one
Ah,
more thing. You observed
yeah.
that Delhi is being led by a Gujarati.
Yes,
Gujarat is being led by a boy from Delhi, Punjab.
correct.
Yeah.
And
And
Punjab is led by
and
South Indians.
Punjab is being led by a Madrasi
Madrasi,
who
yes.
hails from Mumbai.
Yeah.
Ah,
So I
Nice.
think this is India in its true spirit. There is, sometimes we do draw regional lines ke oh Madrasi hai mein
no,
Marwadi mein
sir,
Gujarati
Calcutta is led by Rahane,
by a
उनका
Marathi,
महाराष्ट्र है.
by a Marathi. So I think that whole that whole while the teams can be regional, and that is good because you need to encourage local talent, which is why it's been made like that. You will see every team having a local boy in that team because you want to bring out the good talent. But the leadership is not determined by that. The leadership is determined by the best in the business, and I think that integration also that happens. Now imagine an Akshar Patel in the dressing room sitting with somebody from Delhi and having parathas, and all the cultural exchange that happens. I think that's so beautiful. This is the real essence of India that I see here. And then you have these white guys coming, and these to use the word black is politically incorrect. So these African Americans coming, and then you see the mix of all these cultures, and you can imagine them sitting in one bus, riding in one bus, sitting in one room, sharing food,
Correct.
sharing ideas, sharing thoughts, sharing photographs, sharing मेरी बीवी क्या करती है, तेरा लड़का क्या करता है. That exchange, I think, of international relations is brilliant, which is why sometimes I think you should have more players from Bangladesh, some more maybe from Pakistan. It's a politically sensitive issue, but when sports can bring people together, sometimes you might think that it's good to bring people from all parts of the world to have that cultural exchange, to maybe have that sort of friendship coming into play going forward. And sports is a great binder. In India, you see, it's a great religion, right? It brings everybody together. So I think, in a sense, this IPL is a sort of microcosm of what India is all about.
You forgot, Nikhil. Gujarat is also led by the Mr. Nehra, who is from North actually,
Oh, but who was that?
and he is Ashish Nehra.
Oh, yeah. Oh my God, how
The
can I
coach.
forget नेहरा सर को कैसे भूल सकते हैं भाई.
Or
मेरी
I
बीवी
think
भी
I find him to be the most shrewdest coach among
मेरी
the top.
बीवी भी इतना बात नहीं करती है जितना वो बात करता है. मुझे लगा मेरी बीवी बहुत बात करती है, लेकिन ये तो नॉन स्टॉप बात करता है. वो खड़े खड़े बाउंड्री लाइन वाले से बात करेगा, उसको बुला के बात करेगा, बगल वाले से बात करेगा, ठिगल वाले से बात करेगा. कितना बात करता है भाई.
और तुमको मालूम है उसका जो हाफ पैंट है ना, वो चेंज नहीं करता है, वही पहनता है.
I have not seen his half pant. I'm going to see it today. So, Hetvi,
Keep
your final comments on the top three?
like you said, maybe Gujarat Titans को Kolkata Knight Riders replace कर सकते हैं between them. So I think my top three would change that way. But yeah, DC and Punjab are looking quite strong, and I think they'll play consistently throughout. देखते हैं आज के मैच में क्या होता है. I think that will also change the rankings of the on the
Yeah.
table. So let's see what happens. So these was our top three ki kahani, and then we had some insights on how the umpiring is being done, and we'll have more of different perspectives, different ideas, and what's going on the IPL 2025 other than just the cricketers. हमारा डगआउट ड्रॉप कॉन्टेस्ट अभी भी चालू है. प्लीज पार्टिसिपेट. टेल अस हु डू यू थिंक इज द मोस्ट अंडररेटेड प्लेयर in this IPL 2025. We will have Narayan Pesari again on the panel to judge your answers and tell us who does he think is the best, and the best answer, and you'll have to tell us why as well. तो लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करें और क्रिकेट टीवी के साथ बने रहिए. We'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.